In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix game audio stops working on Windows PC. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead, type in Troubleshoot settings. So after you do that, just go ahead, click on open and wait for the Troubleshoot settings to open up for you, as you can see. Then go ahead, click on Other Troubleshooters at the bottom, and from here, click on Run the Audio Troubleshoot and follow the steps that will be provided for you, as you can see, as I will do right now. So click on Run and then wait for this window to pop up, and after that, just click on the correct information. Click on Yes, and then wait for the troubleshoot to take place. And now after you do that, just go ahead, exit out of the troubleshoot. And if the problem still persists, just go ahead, check your volume from here and check if the volume is all the way on. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.